Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon. This is me, Jaime. Right now, I'm going to show you how to work out homework number 2. I've been receiving a lot of calls as how do we work those out. So I'm going to do this short presentation video. I'm going to probably work out 2 or 3 problems. All of them are almost the same. How you work them out. So I'm going to start with the first one, which I have completed already, but I'm going to do it step by step. So as you look at your homework right now, you'll see there's a chart right there. And that just tells you what each of those means. Of course, P for pressure. T is for torque, foot-pound, capital T. Little t is torque, inch-pounds, and so on. So when you're working these problems out, as you can see, I did the first 2 already. You'll see you'll be given formula up there. You don't have to look for the formulas. All you have to do is plug and chug them and into your calculator. So for this first one, it says a motor is placed on a test strand to determine its brake horsepower. Its speed N is 250 RPMs. Its length of brake arm R is 2.5 feet. And it carries a weight F, 130 pounds. Determine the brake power. So as I look up here, this is the formula I'm given. This is a formula for the brake horsepower, which is BHP, which is BHP is equal to 2 times pi times N times F times R. Multiply all those together and divide it by 33. So that is what I did right there. So let me work it out right quick so y'all can see how it works. Remember, the formula says BHP 2 pi N F R all over 33,000. So we know what 2 is, right? We know what pi is. And for pi, I'm going to be using 3.14. On this work problem, N was given to us as 250. R was 2.5. And F was 130. So we're trying to find the brake horsepower. So like I said, I call these plugs and chugs. So all I'm going to do is follow this formula. I have this, I do have this one, and do have this one. So I'm just going to multiply all ones on top, divided by the bottom. So that gives me my brake horsepower. So it'll be 2 times 3.14 times what N was, 250, times what F was, 130, times it with what R was, which is 2.5. Now I'm going to divide all this by 33,000. So that is my setup, so I'm going to pull out my calculator. I'm going to use this. 2 times 3.14 times it by 250 times it by 130 times it by 2.5. Scroll down, all divided by 33,000. Now I got 15.46. So my brake horsepower is going to be 15.46 or